This
length.
conference will
That's
now
good.
be recorded.
So our today's topic is where or a variable length, ठीक है, या where args, variable arguments या variable length, ठीक है, where args. Now, what is the scenario behind this? Okay, let I'm discussing a very simple scenario where args, what is where args and what is variable length, what is the requirement basically. Okay, so the requirement behind is, let's suppose I'm taking a function. Okay, I'm taking two arguments. Okay, so okay, so what happened here? The where args, variable length, sum a b. I'm taking a function. Okay, let's this function have some definition also. Okay, maybe some definition, some different definition. In the next moment, I call this function. Okay, 10 comma 20. No problem. Okay, but the next moment, my requirement to add three numbers. The next moment, my requirement to add four numbers. The next moment, my requirement is to pass only, next moment, my requirement is to pass only one argument. Next requirement, my requirement is no need to pass any requirement, or either need to add 5 elements. Okay, in all cases, can you identify the problem? Yeah, in all cases, this function only execute with this call. Agree or not? Right? This function only called with this call. For this function calling, I need to create multiple sum functions. Agree or not? Agree? Right? Like this. Next, I need to create for 4 variables. Next, I need to create for 5 variables, right? Or for maybe 0 variables. In all cases, what happening is this: for the different purpose, for the different requirement, I always required a different function definition, right? There's some requirement now on the calculator. Sometimes you add only 2 numbers. Sometimes you require to add 10 numbers. Sometimes required to add only 4 numbers. So every time, if my requirement is changed, okay, every time my requirement has been changed, in that case, I need to create multiple function to complete my requirement. Agree na? So yes, possible. This is possible. No problem at all, right? But Python provide a different concept. Python provide where args, variable length. Variable length का मतलब यहाँ पर यही है बच्चों कि any number of length, any number of arguments you can pass, either 0 or either any number of arguments you can pass inside the function definition. No problem at all. ठीक है. When you calling a function like this, next moment my requirement is, sir, I want to add 6 numbers. Yes, happily possible. No need to create multiple definition. No need to create multiple definition of the function. Not required. These all requirement can be done by a single function definition. Very happy, no problem. Okay, but for this purpose, we required a concept of variable length. We required a concept of variable length. Means the length of the argument can be any number or 0. Means 0 to any number we can assign inside the function argument. Okay, so getting the problem? Yeah. Okay, problem समझ में आई? Problem क्या है? Why the variable length required? Okay, now the question is how can we use this? Okay, in Python, this is like I want to create a function and I want to create, okay, I'm using a n, right? N. So in that case, anyone can tell me if I call sum, if I call sum, if I call sum 10, okay, in both cases this function should burn. So how can we define a variable length argument? Just before the variable, put a asterisk sign. Okay, put a asterisk sign before the variable. Okay, for the people who are coming from different languages, don't feel like a pointer concept, and for the people who are just beginners for programming and they just learning only Python, तो उनके लिए बस इतना समझना काफी है कि how can we define a variable or length argument? Just a asterisk sign and after a variable name. Any name you can define. Args, vargs, any name you can define, no problem at all, right? So just I'm taking here args, vargs, variable args. Okay, so I'm taking this, and this concept. Okay, now it is clear, Tanuj. I am audible to you? Hello? Hello? Yeah, I am audible to Tanuj. I think everyone, please respond. I'm audible. Okay. Okay. Tanuj, maybe there is a problem with your network, I think. Uh, check your networks. Okay. From my side, this is all good. No problem at all. Yeah. So what happened here? I'm taking what is the way? Just take a variable name, and before the variable name, just use asterisk sign. This concept make this variable as variable length argument. Means any number of argument you can pass, either 0, either any number of argument you can pass, no problem at all. Okay, just look this code. Okay, I'm taking a variable def sum and asterisk vargs, vargs. I'm taking one variable sum sum or should I say, I'm taking this variable name as a Kelsey, see, or I'm taking a variable sum equal to 0 for I in where args sum equal to sum plus r, and print sum total, or should I say sum equal to comma sum, right? I'm calling this function. Okay, let's suppose I'm calling this function without argument, right? And I'm running this code. Just wait. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Shom. My function name is Kelsey. Yeah, done. Okay. So I'm taking cd desktop slash 12. Okay. I'm running this function. Python space learn.py. Can anyone guess the output of this code? Yes. Yes. Anyone can guess the output? I'm not taking any argument. Error. Okay. That's good. Raghav say error. Anyone? Anyone? 0. Tanuj no output. 0. Okay. Divya say 0. Arun say 0. Tanu single error. Okay. Ekta error. Tina 0. That's good. Okay. चलिए तो बच्चों इसका आउटपुट आएगा टीना अरुण all answer is absolutely right. Output is 0. You know what, मैंने आपसे बताया कि in case of the where args, in you can take 0 argument as well as you can take multiple arguments, right? So in case I'm not passing any argument here, the value of sum is 0, there is no item, no value, so output will be 0. Let's suppose I'm calling this function passing 1 argument, 2 argument, as well as 3 argument, as well as 4 argument, as well as 5 argument, and so on, right? Let's see. So I'm calling this just, yeah. You can see any number of argument I can pass inside this function. So this is basic the terminology, but internally how it is working. This by this concept, this variable internally work as a list. So list in the Python, you can pass any number of items in the list. You know that? Okay. So I just telling you how it is working. Okay. I just sending you this code on the chat box, so you can copy and paste on your notepad on somewhere, right? चलिए, now next thing is कि I said कि this variable is what? This variable is a list. Okay, just I am showing you. Just wait. Print type of var args, right? I'm printing the type as well as I'm printing this variable, these all elements, right? So just I'm taking this same as, so I'm just calling this, just wait. Okay, yeah, you can see, sorry, my mistake, tuple. It will work as a tuple. So now this function, this variable asterisk var args, you can take any name, it become a tuple, internally work as a tuple. Sorry, by mistake I say list, but it's internally work as a tuple. You know what is the main difference between tuple and list? Yes, anyone? What is the main difference between tuple and list? Anyone an idea? What is the main difference between tuple and list? Tanuj, tuple is immutable. That's good. That's good. Wonderful answer. Divya, list is mutable, but tuple is not. Tuple is unchangeable. List mutable. List is mutable. Tuple is immutable. Sagun immutable. Arun Kaushik, list are mutable. Tuples are immutable. Kailash, list mutable. That's good. That's good. Wonderful answer. So means what? Ki this variable length argument internally work as a tuple, and once you pass the elements from here, you cannot change inside the function definition. Can you getting the concept कि यहां से जो भी आपने आर्ग्यूमेंट पास किए यहां पर आपको मिल तो जाएंगे, लेकिन यू कैन नॉट चेंज दैट आर्ग्यूमेंट बिकॉज वेर आर्क्स वर्क एज ए टपल. एग्री? ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है कि एक टपल के जैसे काम करता है और हम यहाँ पे एलिमेंट्स को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, राइट? दिस इज द सिंपल कंसेप्ट. Now the next thing is, sir, is it possible inside with the where arguments, can we pass a positional argument also? My question is, with the where argument, with the variable length argument, with the asterisk variable name, means as a tuple it is working, can we pass a positional argument? Yes, happily we can pass a positional argument. I'm taking a variable name, right? And I'm doing the same thing. I am taking some, okay, and I'm printing name, comma, var gs, varargs. ठीक है, आई एम प्रिंटिंग दिस कि भाई नेम भी प्रिंट हो उस बंदे का और उसके सारे एलिमेंट्स भी. जस्ट आई एम कॉलिंग डेटा, आई एम पासिंग फर्स्ट अरुण, and I'm not passing any argument possible, because you know that first argument is compulsory because it work as a positional, and in case of the positional argument this is compulsory, right? So I'm passing this. In the second form, in the second calling, I'm passing some 1020. In the third calling, I'm passing some other things like nr and rps, cs, okay, and I'm changing the name. I'm taking Shoham. I'm taking here Monica, okay, I'm taking here Divya, right? And CS plus Python I'm taking. Okay, something like this. The first argument is a positional argument, and rest of the arguments are whereas argument, right? So let me call this. Okay, just CLS. Okay, you can see Arun. The next argument is empty. Soham 1020, Monica NRPS CS, Divya NRPS CS plus Python. Okay, so this is the way you can call you can call like this, right? So with the where args you can also pass positional argument. Okay, now the next thing is, can we pass keyword argument with the positional argument, sorry, with the where args argument? Yes. Can we pass a keyword argument with where args argument? Yes, happily possible at all. Okay, but how can we do this? Just I'm implementing in this. Let's suppose if you pass, okay, I'm calling this and removing the call. Just wait. I am taking name equal, okay, Soham 1020 and so on. Okay, I'm calling this. Okay, no, not possible. Yeah, okay. In case of this, I need to call where args and name. Where args and name. I think this is not. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is actually the syntax. In case of keyword argument. Okay. I'm not talking about the positional. Two cases are there. Two cases are there. First case. First case. Where args positional. Where args with positional. Then what? Where args with positional what? Def function first positional, then asterisk where args, right? First case one, right? What is the case 2? If I'm taking where args with keyword, okay, where args with keywords argument. Okay, I received a message. Just a variable name. Okay, anything you can take, any variable name and you can take. Okay, जो टपल का हमें नाम रखना है वो हमने where args, क्योंकि हम वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट पढ़ रहे हैं ना, वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट, वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, राइट? अगर हम वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट के साथ पोजिशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, तो हमें पहले पोजिशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट लेना होगा, फिर वेर आर्ग्यूमेंट लेना होगा, मींस ओके, वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट लेना होगा। अगर हम यही काम वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट के साथ यही काम हम कीवर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट का करते हैं, राइट, तो उस सिचुएशन में कंडीशन थोड़ी सी अलग हो जाएगी, वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट विद कीवर्ड, with KAYWORDS, with keywords. In that case you must take first variable length argument, or should I say any variable name, and asterisk valid I'm writing valid variable name, ठीक है, valid variable name comma keyword arguments, ठीक है। तो ये दो केसेस हैं, आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि अगर आप पोजिशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट लेते हैं तो पोजिशनल के साथ में आपको बाद में वेरार्ग आर्ग्यूमेंट लेना है, वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट यूज करना है। और अगर आप कीवर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट यूज करना चाहते हैं तो पाइथन ये कह रहा है कि भाई पहले मुझे वेरिएबल लेंथ वैलिड वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट आप मुझे प्रोवाइड करा दीजिए, और बाद में फिर आप कीवर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को यूज कर लीजिएगा। ओके, लेट्स डू वन मोर थिंग, comma age. So I am taking name age equal to 17 comma name. Okay, let me check this, and the name changed to KAILASH Dilash. Okay, I'm saving this and I run this code, right? So happily possible 1020 oh yeah, I'm not printing age as well na, name comma age and whereas, ठीक है, something like this, yeah, comma I forget comma, my mistake, yeah, so कैला 17 10 20। ओके, आप देखिए कि यहाँ पर मैंने नेम पहले लिया है, एज बाद में लिया है, तो कीवर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट में ऐसा हो सकता है आप कोई भी वेरिएबल पहले लीजिए, बस उसका नाम दे दीजिए, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर अगर आप कीवर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट का यूज करते हैं तो वेर आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को आप एक साथ ले लीजिए और कीवर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को आप इस तरीके से, ठीक है। ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज this is completed. Any doubt? Yes, in case of the name I can take another name n, and I'm taking n, you can take n, okay, no problem at all, so possible, right? I'm changing data comma 30 comma age, at place of class I'm taking Ashish is not there, I think Ashish is there or not, yeah, Ashish is there. Okay, I'm calling this by help of another function, changing data, Junaid 16, and I'm not taking any data here, okay, something like this. So yes, possible, okay, this is possible. So I'm not taking any var argument here, and okay, and Tanush, this is clear for you also, that what is the var args here, or I can take any variable name, just for the memorization I take var args here, but we can take any variable name, okay, chaliye, okay. Next my requirement is what? My next requirement is sir, my next requirement is I want to take any keyword. You know what happened with keyword argument? Def if I am taking, if I am taking name and age here, right? Remember na, name and age here, some code is there. So I need to call f, no order is not mandatory, but variable name must same, agree na, variable name must be same. This is the most important thing with the keyword argument. If you want to take a keyword argument, in that case order is not necessary, not order is not same, no problem at all, but the variable name must be same in case of keyword, right? Remember this point. Just I'm showing you def f age comma name, and I just writing pass, just I'm checking the syntax purpose, and I'm calling f, I'm taking in name equal to Arun, comma a equal to 100, right? So I'm taking there. Let me confirm what happened with this. Okay, so error, because age is not a valid. Yeah, you can take age, you must take age, because the variable name is what, age. So you cannot change the variable name in case of keyword argument. But my next requirement is, sir, I don't know about the keywords. I want, my requirement is, any keyword if I passed, it must be acceptable. Any keyword I pass, it must be acceptable by the function. Okay, so that is called keyword, KAYWORD, keyword length, length, ARGUMENTS, arguments, keyword length arguments, keyword length arguments. Okay, how can we define? Def f is a function, any variable I am taking with following two stars following with any variable name. Okay, in case of the normal variable length argument, we take a single star, but we take keywords length argument, we take 2 star in this case, and this variable internally work as a dictionary. This variable work as a dictionary, right? Just wait, I'm showing you the code. Okay, just wait. I'm taking a function info, right? And I print for k comma v in I'm taking double asterisk data dot items. Okay, and I'm printing, then that k or v means, key and value, dictionary key and value concept, key and value. I'm printing k and value comma v, right? Okay, I'm calling this function info as well, info, and I'm passing here first argument name is Arun. Okay, subject equal to, I'm taking computer science. Okay, I'm taking age equal to 30. Okay, this is my second is info, name is Divya, subject is, I take PCM, or even I can change I can change this. Okay, name की जगह मैंने ले गया S name. What I'm taking? S name. Here I'm taking T name, Divya, and stream is PCM. No problem. Okay. T name, Divya, stream PCM, age I'm taking 16. Okay. Another I'm taking another info, employee EMP name, e name. I'm taking e name. Okay, e name is RAMESH, Ramesh, comma, I'm taking salary equal to 10,000. Okay, or whatever the salary, only this. And I'm taking address equal to KKJY, Khurja, right? देखिए, three functions I'm calling info with three times. Every time keyword, this is the keyword name, right? This is the key, and dictionary, this is the value. This subject is the key and computer science is the value. Okay, something like this. Here I'm passing three different arguments. Here I'm passing two different arguments. There is a S name, udhar T name hai, there is stream hai. Here I am passing three arguments with name are different. Okay. Happily all are acceptable. No problem at all. Just calling. Okay. And I am just passing here. Okay. Print. 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 Information of different people. ठीक है, information of different peoples. Let me call again. Yeah, information of different peoples. Okay, and after it I am calling print. Yeah, done. So you can see the difference also. Yeah, information of different people. T name Arun Gupta. Information different people's, S name Divya, stream PCM A16. And you know what is data? I can check the type also. So type of data, and I want to print data, right? So CLS, and yeah, sorry, yeah, you can see dict. What type of data is dict type? Dictionary. You know, here this T name, S name, these are the key, these are the value, or you can say keyword arguments. This is the keyword argument length. Any number of argument you can pass, any type of argument name you can pass. Happily all are acceptable. This is the complete of keyword length argument, right? So we have discussed different type of arguments inside the function: positional, keyword, default, variable length, and keyword length argument, right? Apart from this, how can we pass the list? And we also discuss this. Okay, so this is complete from my side. Any question?